Residents of a high-rise apartment in Gurugram are pleasantly surprised to see relatively faster delivery of some of their e-commerce orders these days. The orders, which earlier used to take around 10 days to deliver, now reach them in a couple of hours. All this is happening due to Sky Air, a delivery solution provider which has deployed drones to carry packages from its warehouse to the delivery point.
पहले तो जो जैसे क्लोथिंग वगैरह का जो होता था, कपड़े वगैरह, तो 24 आवर्स 36 आवर्स लग जाता था। लेकिन जैसे इन लोगों ने फूड में अपना कदम रखा है, जैसे फूड आइटम्स वगैरह मंगाते हैं हम लोग, तो ये 1 घंटा 1.5 घंटा या कभी कभी तो विदिन 15 to 20 मिनट्स भी आ जाता है। तो जब डिलीवरी बॉय को हमने पूछा भाई इतना फास्ट डिलीवरी कैसे हो रहा है, तो उन्होंने बताया आजकल ड्रोन डिलीवरी हो रही है। तो भाई हम लोग को भी थोड़ा एक्साइटमेंट हुआ, बोला एक बार देखते हैं किधर है।
Sky Air has recently started e-commerce delivery using drones in 55 locations in Gurugram. The automated drones loaded with orders fly from the warehouse, guided by computer program to drop the order at designated boxes at the delivery point.
So we are operating in Gurgaon for e-commerce and quick commerce with largely Shiprocket and Ecom Express and a few other clients that we work with here. We are operating on healthcare with majority of our drones being deployed in healthcare. We operate in Himachal Pradesh, we operate in Devghar, Patna, we're starting Jodhpur, we're starting multiple other locations with AIMS, with NHM, with state governments and other alliances that we have got in place.
Sky Air claims to be the first drone service provider in the e-commerce delivery space. The company has recently received an investment of $4 million from venture capitalists, including Mount Judy Ventures and Chirate Ventures, to expand its business. Senior company officials say they are in the process of expanding their delivery system to 25,000 drone flights per day in Gurugram.